Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on Doordash driver account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Doordash app on your phone and go ahead, open it up. Now as soon as you do it, this is how the interface gonna look like. You can see the sign up to Dash and login option right away. Now go ahead, tap on this option, sign up to Doordash. Right now, as soon as you do that, you will have a simpler brief how it will work out for you, the benefits you're gonna get, how it does work. You're gonna simply find at the bottom. You can scroll down and check it out. Now for the signing up purpose, you simply have to add in your postal code respectfully. Then finally you will go ahead, tap on next for the further steps, which will also require for you to register your vehicle type, your area that you would like to be working on, and etc. The information will depend on the area as well. You might have to provide some more. So go ahead, tap on next, provide every information in correct manner and verify yourself. Right after you have done all of that and confirmed it, your account will be created, and now you will start receiving requests and you can start earning with the Doordash account itself on the app as well. So that is how easy it is for you to be doing so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.